All right, guys, so obviously it is still freezing cold here in the Midwest. We've still got snow. It's not as cold as it has been the last couple of days. We are in like the negative 20s and negative 40s and 50s with our wind chill. We've been doing a lot of tests out here, but today we're gonna try something that could be practical for everyone. Michael and Kenosha, what exactly are we doing?
Hey there, we've got the Agras here, and we're going to be using the spreader on it, and we've got some salt. So it's blue colored salt, and we're going to see how it melts, and we will come back and hopefully it'll be a nice blue river.
What was that? Is it the weight?
I don't know.
All right, so what do you think happened yesterday?
So yesterday, what I did is I switched up my counterclockwise and clockwise propellers, and you know, each one should be alternating. And so I had taken it off to update and do some tinkering here and there, and what I had done is I put two, I think, CWs or CCWs together. It was you know, basic mistake, totally my error. So that's good.
All right, so we're gonna try it again today. Are you nervous?
No, I'm not nervous. I know it can work. It's a proven technology. It's just getting it to exactly what you want to do. That's sometimes a little bit of the difficulty.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to get this thing to salt this drive here because we're snowed in.
Yeah, we got too much damn snow.
We'll see what happens. So this has kind of been a long time in the making, right? I mean, you've been working on trying to get this thing to work for a long time, and finally, I think we're, one of the first. Yeah,
I 3D printed a really ugly one before.
Yeah.
But yeah, as far as for salt, I think this could be great.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, it's going to have its applications like spot spraying.
For farming and agriculture and stuff.
Yeah, but I mean, now, you know, it's something that actually can be used almost year round. I mean, I'm sure that it's just, you know, very, very close to being used all year round, which I think is awesome for us Midwesterners, you know.
That's right, especially when we're buried.
Yeah.